Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is something completely new to me. What happened to me was, there's a bit of a story time with this. If you want timestamps, please check the description. But I got contacted by BeeBeecraft asking me if I would like to be a part of their YouTube program. And what that is you can apply if you have over 100 subscribers, and they may send you some free items which you will then be required to review and give your opinion on, and then give 2 tutorials on what you're using. And it's not just jewelry stuff, they do other things as well. Now, they actually had me order this on the 9th of June, and it arrived yesterday, which was the 21st of August. Now, I don't believe that it is BeeBeecraft's fault that it has taken this long, because if you look at any other BeeBeecraft video, you will see that their packages are extremely well wrapped, and this was not the case for this. I believe that this has been held in customs and opened, because this is how I basically got it. I've only opened it the once, and you can see it's really quite grubby. So this has been opened before I opened it, and it's not very well packaged, and I don't believe that to be BeeBeecraft's fault at all. Like I say, I believe that to be so that customs has opened this to check it because of how well it was wrapped, and they couldn't see in there, I guess. But it did annoy me a little bit that even though customs had to check, that it couldn't be wrapped up properly again for the poor company that sent it. So I'm going to go with you what I decided to buy. I'm going to put it off to the side a second, and I'm going to start with, I think, these, because you could see them almost straight away. And these were, the strands come apart, but I don't mind that. I'll end up popping them in the bag on their own anyway. But these were just, they looked like so much fun to work with. They're hematite, which is of course a man-made bead, and they look electroplated as well. I'm pretty sure they are electroplated, and I really liked these. I really wanted to get me some and see what I could do with these. I already have drawn up some ideas as well. I have a broken one, but with something like hematite, I sort of expect that in a way. It's not natural, it is man-made, but you do end up with some errors. Some things like this, where you can see in there, there's like a misprint. You can usually just stick something in there and poke away those edges. But I can't wait to use those. All the links will be in the description, and I will pop the price around somewhere on the screen as well. So that's those. I also decided to get some of these. These are electroplated lava beads in all different sizes, and I thought it was a really good excuse. I really liked them, and I wasn't sure what I was going to do with them, but I thought it would be a perfect excuse, as I'm getting these, and these are very close. I could do something with the two together. And you can see there are all sorts of sizes in here. There are really small ones, quite large ones, medium sized ones, and I can't wait to put those together. They've come in very good condition. I love the natural pores in lava stone, and I really love these colours. They are really beautiful. I love the rainbow on electroplating. And a nice little pot as well, just keep them all safe. If I can just do it up. There we go. And next up I'll do this one. This is some agate. Oh wait, maybe I won't do this one next. It's a bit of a cut into that one's wrapped really well. I'll get into this one. And this is some bugle beads, because I don't really have any bugle beads, and I thought if I'm going to get some, I may as well get an entire packet, this entire multi-pack, and give it a go. And this is a very nice case to keep these in as well. I have my little handy dandy spoon to help me get bits out should I need it. So let's get into here. And have a look at these beads. You can see they are what you'd expect. They're a little sharp on the edges, but they are very uniform in size from what I can see so far. And there's some very nice colours. I really like this colour here. There's some matte colours to play with. I really like this colour. I can't wait to use this one in something. These would go, no, these ones actually, these would go very nicely in with our piece here. So already we're going to be using 3 of our products in one tutorial later on in the week, and they are very, very nice beads. Just pick up some that you're going to be able to see. You see they are very good sizes, quite uniform. This one looks kind of like a crayon, but ooh, the prices aren't on here, so I will put the prices up for you somewhere, like I said. That is my tub of bugle beads. Handy dandy stuffs right there. I'll put that to one side in a minute. And last but not least was these. And this was, I think it was 4 pieces. No, it's 5 pieces. And 5 pieces of horse eye shaped agate cabochons in fuchsia, I believe. I might have got them in purple actually, but as we're not in here yet, I can't tell. They look like purple. They're wrapped very well, and I know that they've done that because these agate things can break quite easily, and it is such a shame when they do. So they have wrapped these extremely well to stop that from happening. Slide those out there. And let's see what we got. Because obviously this is a natural stone that is dyed, but they are a natural stone before they're dyed, so they will look completely different, but they are some gorgeous specimens. I really like these. They are beautiful, and the fade there is beautiful. The striking colours there, and I love that this one I could perhaps turn into an eye somehow. Maybe do a resin middle bit and make it an eye. I really love those are some very nice specimens there. I was going to do a really large flower pendant, but that would be quite large. But there's so many different ideas I've had running through my head, because obviously I've had 2 months to think about what I wanted to do with these products. Again, there's no fault with BeeBeecraft. I fully believe that this package was opened by customs, and that's what's taken it so long to get to me, and why it was packaged in the way that it was. But so those are my products, and I cannot wait to show you what I make with all of these wonderful pieces. I'm really excited. I've been so hyped up to get these. I've had it on my Royal Mail tracker for ages and nothing changed for the longest time. So I contacted them, they asked me just to wait a little bit longer, and eventually it did come, and it just came the way it did. I suppose I'm going to have to just deal with that, because that's the way customs works. Nothing's going to happen, and I received my items, so I'm very happy, and I can't wait to make the tutorials for you. I hope you will tune into those, and I hope you will like this video and subscribe for more, or subscribe so you get notified when I use these pieces. Thank you very much for joining me. Take care now. Bye bye then.